move the playhead out to the spot where you want all of the text to finally be revealed. Then we're going to go over to Effect Controls. This is the stopwatch you're going to click. So hit that stopwatch. It's going to create a keyframe for you. Now go over to the Program Monitor, and we are going to step back a couple of frames. Go into your text and delete either one letter, or in this case, I'll delete a character. I'll delete that exclamation point. Now step back a few frames and go in and delete another letter. And we'll just keep doing this until all of the letters have been deleted. Now let's watch it and see what we did.